Hey, welcome back. My name is Palina. This is Emma, my new family member. Come here. And we're gonna help you to start with Salesforce. It's a very interesting platform, and you can, depending on your acidity, learn the basics within 1-2 weeks and all the main features like till junior level within 2-2.5 months. So if you're interested, let's go. The first step for you would be to create an account on Trailhead. Trailhead is a platform for learning Salesforce provided by Salesforce, containing all documentation features for you so you can have hands-on experience and like user-friendly stories, and this is very exciting. But when you find the trails with 500 points, you can see here at the bottom opportunity to create an org, playground. So do that and you will get your own org on the Salesforce platform. Here will be your second step to explore the org. I think this is still more relevant for people when they're just exploring the things themselves. So you can go to setup, you can see at the left side this setup list of all components that can be there. The objects, a lot of tabs and records, so just play around. I will prepare also another video describing the topics that needs to be covered by junior Salesforce developers, so subscribe not to miss that. After playing around, you can go to the third step, completing some trailheads. So, of course, there are plenty of them on various functionalities and so on, but you can find there some filter, you can choose your level and the topic in which you are interested. If you are absolutely new, if you have no project preferences and so on, you can start with Sales Cloud, because this is like the main cloud where all happens. And here you can complete Trailhead. Luckily, Salesforce provides a very good documentations and hands-on experience to do, and they will check your tasks on your org created, so this is really helpful. The fourth point would be to read documentation. I know a lot of people prefer Trailhead for learning the basics, but when you're facing some error, some problem, some concrete question, I find it more effective just to search it in Google and find some Salesforce documentations. They are not the same as Trailhead, they are more informative, and yeah, you can find much more information from the documentation when you want to go deeper. And fifth tip, to Google it right. This is not something that I learned from the beginning, but my mentor showed me how to Google Salesforce right. You should try just writing SVDC in the beginning of each your request. So it means salesforce.com. It will bring you relevant answers to your bugs or whatever questions. In the same way, you can Google SVDC SVMC, like for Marketing Cloud, or SVDX, okay, for the X. For some packages, when, for example, I was learning Cloud Craze package and abbreviature is CCRZ, and I was always Googling like SVDC, CCRZ, blah, blah, blah. So you can try this also. And another trick, when you need description of the object, you, for example, have cases sharing. So you need this case share, but to use in Apex, you have to see what fields it have, what methods available, and so on. You can write it as SVDC case sharing, but you see what it gives you. And if you write at the end SOAP, it will bring you to your object description. This works with all Apex topics, yeah, like available fields and methods. Alright, this was it. I'm wishing you to have success in Salesforce platform. I will be posting some videos also for beginners and for advanced users. So thank you. Bye bye.